Hello, hi guys! Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong tanghali na to, tingnan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik diglig na umapa-uman ng balik sa inyo. So, guys, tutok lang dahil magkakaroon po tayo ng pasili for 2024 ha. So, ano lang tayo, antabay lang tayo dahil ngayong November natin siya i-upload para mas malaman natin at makita natin agad no magiging pasilip nila. So, abang-abang lang. And of course, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Umpisahan na natin, no? My God. Okay. Angel Spirit Messages. Give me information for the sign of Virgo. Ano kayang pasabog-bulabog, no? And of course, there is the hangman, no? In reverse, it means there's a delays or something cancellations, no? Or sinasabi dito, may mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin o baguhin. Or mindset, baga. No? Or there's a waiting, no? So, additional messages. And of course, there is a page of wands. So, ibig sabihin, there is a good news. May balita. No? There's an information. Okay. There is the full card, the leaf of faith. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a process and progress. So, ibig sabihin, magtiwala ka sa kung ano man ang nangyayari sa inyo. So, ano man ang nangyayari kaganapan sa buhay mo ngayon. And of course, there's the lovers. And of course, sinasabi dito, magtiwala ka kasi ipagkakalob sa ni God kung sino para sa'yo. There's the lovers. And of course, there's a palace of coin. So, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan about sa finances. And of course, there's the moon card. A truth reveal. So, ibig sabihin, there's a secret or mystery behind. May mga bagay na hindi mo pa nalalaman. May mga bagay na ipapaalam sa'yo. May mga bagay na mararanasan mo na. So, let's see what is the hangman. The hangman represent the four of coins. So, it means the four of pentacles. So, sinasabi dito, protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan mo mag-budget, no? Protection na yung finances mo, yung funds. So, let's see what is the page of wands. Let's see what is the page of wands. There's the star card. Wow! There's a wish fulfillment and healing miracle. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na matutupad, no? At may balita na. So, let's see what is the full card. So, there's an eight of wands. There's a fast communication, fast movement, no? Maraming balita na napapasok dito. And email, messages, ganon. Kumbaga, magtiwala ka lang. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo or darating na. So, what is the lovers? Why is the lovers is here? There is an ace of coins. So, there's a big opportunities the two of you. So, ibig sabihin dito pagdating sa relasyon nyo, mayroong about sa partnership. So, it means, ito yung inaasam at talagang pinangarap mo na, kumbaga, kung magkakaroon ka ng love life, sana makatuwang mo, no, pagdating sa finances. So, this is it. Be it, no? Kumbaga, this is a new opportunity sa big money, big house, and of course, dito, there's a car, no? Or there's a material thing na mabibili mo. So, let's see what is the palace of coin. There's a tree of life. So, ibig sabihin, maraming sanga ng finances, no? Ibig sabihin dito, there's a resource of income na dadagdagan pa, no? A tree of life is a branches of life. So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming klase ng buhay na papasok sa'yo. At parang there's a branches of family din eh. Parang sinasabi dito na maraming panggagalingan ng finances, no? With family, no? Parang magkakaroon kayo ng collaboration with your family and teamwork. So, what is the moon card? The moon card is the king of cups. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a mystery behind, and of course, there's some eksena pagdating sa love life mo, no? And of course, there's Knight of Cups, there's an offer. So, ibig sabihin, some of you baka hindi pa kayo nagtatagpo. no? If you are single mom, single persons, or some single dad, or something single, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na maaaring matatagpuan mo siya in a right way, in a wrong way. Oh my God! Kumbaga minsan kasi natatagpuan natin yung isang tao na minsan hindi pa tayo handa, no? Kumbaga doon tayo sinusubok. And of course, itong offer na to, kumbaga ipagkakalob tayo sa ito with an unexpected moment, no? Kasi there's a mystery. So, ibig sabihin, there's an unseen. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo inaadya at hindi mo pinaghandaan. So, what is the Hangman? And the Four of Pentacles. So, there's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. So, some of you nagkaroon ng delays, cancellations, that because of mali yung pag-manage ng finances, no? Kumbaga, this is the moment na kailangan mo yung baguhin yung perspective mo, yung mindset mo, kumbaga mag-savings at the same time, dagdagan mo yung investment mo. So, what is the Page of Wands and the Star card? What is the Page of Wands and the Star card? There's a Seven of Coin. Wow! There's a lot of coin, guys, ha? Kumbaga, there's a lot of money. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a Seven of Coin. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng harvest time with the Star card, a fulfillment. So, let's see what is the full card of the Eight of Wands. And because there is a Seven of Wands, so you are also protected. So, you are being also protected. Kumbaga, protektado ka. Money, career, love life. So, some of you may mga bagay siguro, bakit nagtataka ka kung bakit lagi kang broken, something ganito, lagi kang nasasakta, lagi kang iniiwan, lagi kang kumbaga, lagi kang niloloko. That because may taong ibibigay sa'yo si God. No? Bakit ba ganito, hindi pa ibigay? Kasi may lessons kang makukuha dyan. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, bawat relasyon, meron kang makukuhang lesson na dapat mong binibit-bit. Hindi yung nire-reject mo yung mga information na ibinibigay sa yung lessons, no? Kumbaga, sa relasyon na dati mong unang relasyon mo, meron ka dapat na nabitbit na ano dyan, na hindi na nangyari dapat sa susunod na relasyon. Tapos nangyari kasi ulit dati hindi ka natuto. So ibig sabihin may mga bagay na kailangan mo maging aware, 'di ba? Let's see what is the Lovers and the Ace of Coin. The Lovers and the Ace of Coin. There is a Page of Coin. So ibig sabihin dito there's a manifestation. So pagdating sa relasyon nyo, mamamanifest nyo naman daw, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto nyo gawin. So, kailangan nyo lang talagang planuhin at magbuo ng panibagong plano nang sa ganun ay hindi muli kayo magkamali, no? What is the phallus of coin of the Tree of Life? There's the Magician, a manifestation. See, there is a God purpose. So, ibig sabihin dito, nangyayari sa'yo kasi kumbaga plano ni God yan, will yan ni God. So, ibig sabihin dito na maraming branches or maraming sanga na kumbaga pinapatibay o pinalalakas pa, no? Maaring naputol o natanggal yung sanga na yan. So, magsisilbi yan na tutubo ulit yan in another way. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga kailangan mo lang matuto. So, let's see what is the Moon card and the King of Cups and the Knight of Cups. There's a Wheel of Fortune. See? Ang ganda ng hilera ng baraha mo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, the Wheel of Fortune is a destiny. So, ibig sabihin talagang may nakatadhana sa'yo dito, no? Talagang ang laking pasabog talaga nito na mangyayari sa'yo. So, let's see what is the outcome. The Wheel of Fortune is turning event. So, ibig sabihin dito, some of you, baka ito yung umikot ay kapalaran, no? Kumbaga, kung madalas ka dating naloloko, iniiwan, so this is the moment na ipaglalabang ka naman. And of course, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. Hindi lang siya about sa love life. Partnership talaga in a lifetime. And of course, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebration, twin flame energy. Or some of you guys, there's a soulmate connections. And of course, there's a King of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, control. Controlin mo yung emotions mo, controlin mo, maging balance ka in all the time. So, additional messages, power of the deck, there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition, no? Makakawala ka na sa toxicities na nangyari sa kahapon. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? Oh my God. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a camera. See, kumbaga, learn from the past. Diba? Kailangan mo nang baguhin perception mo. And of course, there's an I like you. Some of you talaga mayroon nagmili na may gusto sa'yo. But, and of course, there is an heart, healing heart. Ibig sabihin dito, kumaga, gagaling na ang sugat ng kahapon. Kumaga, makakawala ka na sa freedom from toxic relationship or addictions, no? Talagang iaalis ka ni God sa relasyong punong-puno ng toxicities. Yung yung parasite or something na, absorbent, no? Narcissism. Yung gusto siya lang ang nakikinabang, parang ganun, pangit yung ganung attitudes. No, kailangan give and take. So, what is a yin and yang oracle card? There's a sabotage. See, nagkakaroon ng sabotage that because of that. And because there's a the moon card, double clarification, there's a truth reveal, a revelation. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a lack, doubt. Nakalisin mo yung doubt mo. So, some of you parang nagkakaroon ng self-doubt, no? Nawawala ng confidence sa sarili niya. And of course, don't you worry, there's a awakening, no? Parang mumulatin ka niya sa mga bagay-bagay. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Your children are watched over by angels. Some of you, kung may mga anak ka, no? Ginagabayan daw ng ating mga gabayan, no? And don't you worry. And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, ng ating baraha, you're on the right path. So, napapanood mo tong reading na to at tumugma sa'yo, nasa tamang direction ka, no? And of course, there's a forgive yourself, you did nothing wrong, no? Patawarin mo rin yung sarili mo. Wala ka naman daw ginawang mali. Maaaring, may mga bagay lang na kailangan mo matutunan na dapat mo laging binibitbit, no? At lagi mo dapat yung dala-dala sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. Na para hindi ka na ulit mangyari yung nangyari sa nakaraan mo. So, what is the Monsology? Parang sa madaling salita, huwag ka na magpapabudol pa. Parang gano'n. And of course, the answer you need is coming. So, ibig sabihin dito, parating na daw talaga ang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan. And it's time to release the negativity. So, kailangan mo talagang i-release yung toxicities and toxic energy. Diba? Yan kasi yung nag-build ng negative yung toxicity. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there is a fall into my arms, surrender. Diba? Kailangan mo i-surrender lahat yan. At the same time, there's a surrender to the sweetness. See? Also, sinasabi talaga the surrender is key para makaalis ka sa situation, no? So, let's see what is this energy. 7 Chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, tutulungan ka daw na ating Archangel Uriel para makabangon at makaahon. And of course, there's a 3rd Chakra Archangel Chamuel pagdating sa iyong health, no? And of course, there's a doors to spirit. So, ibig sabihin dito may pintuan talaga about sa spirit guides, no? Or something spirituality. Parang sinasabi nila, ilapit mo yung sarili mo sa ating Panginoon. So, let's see what is additional messages. There is a service. Some of you have public servant or something services yung trabaho. And of course, there's humor, no? Kailangan tingnan mo yung lighter side of your life. Kumbaga, doon ka tumingin sa, kumbaga, bigger picture. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a taking action. So, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, no? And of course, there's a relationship. It's all about relationship. So, let's see what is a chakra. Chakra is a workaholic. So, some of you kumbaga pagdating sa trabaho, talagang kapursigido at talaga nakatutok ka. No? And of course, there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na kailangan mo tanggapin. And discoveries. Marami ka pang madidiscover sa sarili mo, sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, kung bakit nangyayaring ganito, na ba kailangan mong iwasan at kailangan mong baguhin. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is an energy healing. So, some of you, kailangan nyo ng healing session, ha? Kasi baka some of you, kaya mo nararamdaman yan kasi baka merong gumagawa sa behind your back or something, no? There's an energy healing. And of course, there's a family related, no? It's all about family and of course, energy healing. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages for you. Leave the stressful situation behind. See? Pakawalan mo yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng kalungkutan, kabiguan, lalo-lalo din yung pag-iisip ng kung ano-ano. So, what is the Jesus-loving quotes? Sinasabi dito ng Jesus, knock and shall be open to you. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumakatok na si Jesus sa, ay yung sinasabi, di ba, yung mga lesson na ibinibigay sa'yo, kumbaga walang pinag-aiba yung kumakatok siya, ganon. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng information, hindi ka lang natututo. So, pagbuksan mo, no, what is the angel's number? The 444, I am protected. So, sinasabi dito, trust your journey. Trust the way your life unfolds. And trust that you are where you need be and to be in a present moment. So, ibig sabihin dito, protektado ka, magtiwala ka lang sa nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. Hindi naman yan ibibigay ni God kung hindi mo kaya, no? And of course, there's the inner alchemist. So, sinasabi dito, like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and harmony. Today, through my positive thoughts, words and deeds, I create my own light. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intentions to transform myself in the same way an alchemist transform lead into gold. Today, I create happiness. So, see, kumbaga, mas lalo kang pinatitibay at pinalalakas. Kumbaga, sa lahat ng kabiguan, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga, nanatili ka nakatayo at nakabangon, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, para kang isang gold, you are also indestructible. Hindi ka nila masisira ng ganun-ganun na lang. At ikaw yung maggagawa ng paraan para maging maligaya at maging masaya ka, no? Sa piling ng iba. Charis! Go! So guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Virgo. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sambog support sa akin channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So may magpalain kayo na may kapalit, siksik-tiglig nag-uumapaw umanambalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys for your watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!